If you like it, you like it. If you don't like it, you don't like it. You know, the world of discovery set is completely biased. Every brand, they send you a discovery set, and in it has exactly what they want you to experience. I object. I object to that. So I'm going to do something very different. I'm going to give you the chance, the choice, the freedom to select. So I have 25 fragrances. I'm going to come out with a discovery set that in that discovery set of the 25, you are going to say, I want this one. I am curious about this one. I might like this one. I want to trust this one. And then here's the magic part. I'm going to take a certain right away from you. I'm going to take away the right when you get the discovery set from me. They're called the minis. I'm going to take away the right for you. When you look at the jar and the candle vessel, you're not going to know which fragrance is what. The reason I'm going to do that is because I believe you are predisposed reading and anticipating what fragrance you're going to get. No, I say do it this way. Of the 8 that you're going to select, that you selected on your own from the 25, that I have no say in it, right? I curated the 20. That's about as much control as I have. But then you're going to take it and you're going to smell it. And what's going to happen then? You are going to say, I like or I don't like in an honest way without any influence of words. Because when you have words, you end up being influenced. I don't want you to be influenced. I want you to authentically open it. I hate it. There you go. It doesn't matter what's in it. It doesn't matter the romance story. It doesn't matter what it says. No amount of words on the jar, no amount of beauty, no amount of beautiful words or ingredients is going to change back that you like it or you don't like it. And that one little nuance is what I want to develop in my discovery set. The entire world is biased because they send you the discovery set predetermined, pre-made. You're stuck judging what they want you to judge. I say no. No to that. Absolutely not. No. And please, by the way, go on my email list. How the heck are you going to know that the discovery set is launching or not launching if you're not on my email list? How are you going to know that? So get on the email list so that you know exactly what's going on. That is my way of thinking on your behalf. Everything that I do is, hey, if I'm trying it, I want to know that I have some say in what fragrances I want to experience. I don't want you to decide for me. That's what I want. So I want you to have the same kind of freedom. So it's called a discovery set. It's going to launch in 2024, sometime in the next 2 months, a month and a half. And at that time, you get to choose what fragrance, and it's a beautiful experience.